Hi, I'm Howard. Welcome to Howard's English Corner. Today, I'd like to go over one of the most difficult things in English, prepositions. You know prepositions, these are the little words that you put in front of nouns. And it can be very confusing knowing which preposition to use with a particular kind of noun. So today, I'd like to focus on some prepositions that we use when we refer to time. So, the three most commonly used prepositions for time are on, at, and in. And here are some examples of different times. 5 o'clock, 2020, Monday, the morning or the afternoon, night, February 10th, 1989, and August. So you might be racking your brain sometimes thinking, okay, 5 o'clock, which preposition? Is it in? Is it on? Is it at? So, what do you think? Which one should it be? Okay, well, it's at. So whenever we refer to a time of day, we use at. At 5 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. They all use at. And not just for the time on the hour, but at 5:30, at 7:15, at 4:20. For any time of the day, it's at. Okay, how about years? 2020 or 1956 or 1981. What do you think? Well, for a year, we use in. So anytime you're talking about a year, use in. Okay, days of the week like Monday. What do you think? Well, for days of the week, we use on. So on Monday, on Friday, on Saturday. And you can even use it for the weekend, on the weekend. Okay, now how about the morning or afternoon? What do you think? Okay, this one is going to be in. So in the morning, in the afternoon. And then there's also night. But night does not use in. Night is a little bit special, so for night, we use at. Okay, when we're talking about a specific date, in this case, February 10th, 1989, we use on. And for August, for a month, just like this one here, because we have February in it, that's a month, we use, no we don't. We don't use on, we use in. Sorry. Okay, now, of course, it's confusing remembering these. So my recommendation to make it easier is just think of these as a set. So when you think of time, always think at a certain time, or even choose a specific time, at 6 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. And if you think of time in that way, you never have to worry about which preposition, you'll know that it's always at. In the same way, when you think of days of the week, don't think Friday, think on Friday, on Monday, on Thursday, and that will help you. Or, for example, in a month or a year, think in 2020, in August. So if you think of them as a set, a preposition and an example of the time that you're thinking of, it will be much easier the next time you have to write it in an email or in a letter or in a message, or if you have to say it in conversation. So try it. See if you can remember some sets like these, and it will make it much easier for you. Okay, that's all for now. See you next time.